Sources of Indian constitutions. First country, United Kingdom constitutions. First point, nominal head presidents like Queen. Second point, cabinet system of minister. Third point, post of prime minister. Fourth point, parliament type of government. And the fifth point, lower house more powerful and single citizenships. Second, USA country constitution. First point, written constitution, vice president post, fundamental rights, Supreme Court, and impeachment of president. And independence of judiciary and judicial review. Third country, USSR. USSR means now Russia country. Okay, Russia. First point, fundamental duties. USSR country, fundamental duties. Second point, ideal of justice in preamble and 5-year plan. Next, Australia country. Australia country constitutions. First point, concurrent list. How many lists of Indian constitution? 3 lists. But Australia country constitution concurrent list. Joint sitting of 2 houses. Next, Japan country constitution. Procedure established by law. And last, Ireland constitution. Ireland country constitution. First point, concept of directive principles of state policy. Second, method of elections of president. And third, nominations of member in Rajya Sabha.